My husband cut down a branch from the pine tree in our backyard. He just kind of left it there. So I wanted to use it to make some holiday decorations so that it wouldn't go to waste. I want to make a garland, so I'm separating the little branches from the main bough. So I'm laying down some of the small branches into a straight line until I reach the desired length for my garland. I measured mine to lay across my bay window. And just using some twine to tie together the individual branches. I like to go back and add in some individual pieces to fill in the gaps and make it really fluffy. Garlands that are always loaded up with the most stuff look really beautiful, but I'm just going to keep this one really simple by just decorating it with pine cones, but you can put cranberries or dried orange slices, whatever you want to make it beautiful. I normally don't decorate for the holidays this early, but the weather outside has been so gloomy and it's just dull, so I wanted to bring some holiday cheer inside my house. Another decoration you can make is just gathering a bundle of little branches and tying them together and decorating it with ornaments and pine cones or even ribbons. It's simple, but it looks really lovely hung over a door.